Big news coming in. Riya Chakrabarti leaves her residence for the Enforcement Directorate's office. Remember, this is almost the third round. Riya Chakrabarti has now been summoned again today by the ED. She was grilled last week for 8 hours. A day before that for 2 hours. This comes again this week. Right now, she leaves for the ED office. She's going to be questioned. Her statements are being recorded as and when she's appearing. Remember, Riya Chakrabarti has been accused of siphoning off 15 crore rupees. She and her family have been accused of financial mismanagement of Sushant's money, his accounts, of 15 crore rupees being siphoned off from his accounts to other accounts. These are mere allegations which the ED is currently probing into. Of course, sources have told India Today that Riya Chakrabarti has totally denied this, but it could also be that she's not been very well cooperative. All the details that have been asked about her financials. The ED is, of course, investigating every minute detail on financial transactions, on who Riya Chakrabarti had connections with in terms of money, and what was the real link between Riya and Sushant in terms of financials. Now, both of them, Sushant and Riya, had 3 startups together that they were spearheading, along with Riya's brother as well as one of the directors. Now, all of this money transaction expenditure has come under heavy scrutiny. It's now being probed. Mustafa joining us right outside the ED office. Mustafa, anytime, minute from now, Riya Chakrabarti to arrive at the Enforcement Directorate's office. Would you know where the ED investigation has really led to so far? It's been 2 days. This is the 3rd summons, we believe. Riya Chakrabarti is being grilled. Every minute detail that's been taken off her in terms of financials and the financial mismanagement allegations that Sushant's family has leveled against her and her family members. It's not just Riya, even Riya's father is going to be summoned today, is it?
Yes, of course, and Enforcement Directorate has all the documents which are required to understand a company's transaction. Now, the main basically person whose statement is important for Enforcement Directors in this case is Souvik Chakrabarti, because he was a director on the 2 companies with Sushant Singh Rajput. And the other important thing which they have to see is that there was an income from Sushant Singh's account, and then it was invested in the companies. Then where did the money go? So these are a few questions which have to be answered on Souvik's past, because Riya Chakrabarti, the other day when she was questioned, she said that she has bought those houses on home loan, and she must have produced documents for it also. So then the question, the buck stops at the companies which were made, because ED is fairly investigating the money laundering angle in this case and not the abetment to suicide. So they have, it seems, that financial transaction documents, and they are searching and looking for more in the coming in the last few years with the transactions which have happened from Sushant Singh Rajput's account, and these questions will be posed to the Chakrabarti family. Back to you.
Mustafa, thank you very much. You're right outside the Enforcement Directorate's office. He's going to be bringing us minute details. Riya Chakrabarti to arrive at the ED office in moments from now.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.